The populations of two of the world's rarest bird species are recovering thanks to a remarkable turnaround in their relationship with local villagers in Cambodia. The award-winning eco-tourism project has converted the people of Tmat Boey from poachers to gamekeepers. Once the locals stalked the giant ibis and the white-shouldered ibis for food, but they now protect them and guide awestruck bird lovers to the roosting and nesting sites. These birdwatchers from Thailand have travelled to Cambodia's remote northern plains in the hope of catching a glimpse of the rare birds. Experts estimate there are just 250 giant ibis left in the world. They were a little far off, but I'm very excited to have spotted them because you just can't see them in Thailand. They don't exist in my country, so I was lucky to see 4 of them. Minutes later, another rare species is spotted, the white-shouldered ibis.
Birdwatchers come from all over the world to visit Tmat Boey to see the very rare birds that you have there. And what we've helped do is motivate community members to support conservation of these very rare birds. They could make money out of hunting birds and eating them or selling them, but we're helping motivate them to make money out of the live birds and conserving these extremely rare species.
And this is how they make the money. Neat wooden chalets exclusively for bird enthusiasts, right on the edge of the ibis forest. For around $10 per night you can get a clean room and a bed, a shower and a Western-style toilet. And thanks to solar panels, there's electricity and hot water. The project's been so successful it has won 2 major awards, including the United Nations Development Programme's Equator Prize in 2008. It's now run entirely by a committee of villagers. With charges for guides and food on top of accommodation, the project took around $12,000 last year. In return, the locals agree not to hunt the birds or cut down their habitat, thus giving them conditions to thrive. Now the project's successful, I'm thinking of ways to make it even better. There are potential problems. The actual village of Tmat Boey has 180 families, and not everyone can be involved in the project. To avoid jealousy, there's a community development charge of $30 per birdwatcher if they spot the ibises, and this is shared by the whole village.
It's difficult to actually assess how the communities perceive the conservation directly, but what you can look at is their motivation. And if you look at the rates of hunting, the rates of illegal logging, that sort of thing, they've dropped away dramatically. And then the important final outcome is, what are the birds doing? How many birds are there? And each year, from the start of this development of ecotourism in Tmat Boey and in the northern plains of Cambodia where we work, the birds have increased.
The greatest increase has been in the numbers of the white-shouldered ibis. When the project began in 2004, there was just 1 pair in the area, and now there are 5. To put that in context, a recent survey by conservationists put numbers of the white-shouldered ibis at around 300 globally. So the steadily growing population is cause for genuine celebration. It isn't clear why the ibises have fallen so close to extinction, though hunting and habitat loss have no doubt been factors. With backing from governments and other wildlife groups, the hope is the Tmat Boey model can be extended to more parts of Asia.